What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2007 Ducati Monster S2R1000. Guys, this bike is awesome looking. It has a ton of modifications. I love this single-sided swing arm with these rims. They look so good. These are not the stock rims on this beast. Tires, treads in great shape. I don't know what kind of pipes these are. I don't know if they're the stock pipes or not. Some guy knows. He's gonna roast me. I love how open this is. It looks so freaking good. With that being said, there's not a lot of cosmetic issues with this bike. Scratch right there if you can see that. Not a lot of cosmetic issues with this bike. This bike's in really solid shape for what it for how old it is. It's on the thing in there. It's on the little tool shelf. Sick!
Yo, that bike is so modified.
You love it?
So much mods on that bike, it's insane. It's a blast to drive. If you guys haven't seen the test drive yet, go check the test drive out.
Dude, this is in portrait mode on video. You look so good right now. I'm not like no homo or anything. So I got this little front cowl. It looks awesome. This bike is just so cool looking. And everyone knows how these things sound with that dry clutch. They sound so mechanical. This is the Walkaround, and I'm not seeing a whole lot wrong with this bike, to be honest. I love these mirrors. They look so awesome. Let's see.
You saying these look awesome?
They look so awesome.
They look awesome. They don't work at all.
They don't work at all?
You have to flip them up like this.
But the bronze looks so sick.
The bronze looks good, but you gotta flip them up to actually work.
Oh, but you can rotate them.
Yeah.
Oh, that's super cool.
Yeah. I think that works.
17,000 miles on this beast. Fired up. You can see everything working. It looks awesome. Like I said guys, 2007 Ducati Monster S2R1000. This bike will not last long. This bike's super cool. I've never had one of these in. Thanks a ton for watching guys.